Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to your Coinbase wallet. You have two primary ways to fund your wallet: transferring existing cryptocurrency from your Coinbase exchange account or buying new crypto directly within the wallet app. We will walk through both methods, ensuring you understand each step. This guide will help you manage your digital assets effectively and securely. To transfer from your Coinbase exchange account, first open the exchange app and choose the cryptocurrency you want to move. Next, open your Coinbase wallet, select Receive, and copy the unique address for that specific asset. Return to your exchange, paste the copied address into the Send field, and double-check all transaction details before confirming the transfer. This process typically takes a few minutes. You can also buy cryptocurrency directly within your Coinbase wallet. Simply tap the Buy button, then select the digital asset you want to purchase, like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Enter the amount you wish to spend, for example, $50. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a linked debit card, and carefully review the transaction details, including any associated fees, before finalizing your purchase. When adding funds, always double-check the receiving wallet address to prevent irreversible losses. Be mindful of network fees, which are typically small but can fluctuate depending on network activity. For instance, Ethereum gas fees can vary significantly. Finally, protect your wallet's 12-word recovery phrase diligently. It is the sole key to your funds and should never be shared with anyone for security reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.